Okay, so this will be a really quick one. Well, really quick relative to me. But I am going live not because I want to be live for conversation, but because for some reason Instagram doesn't allow me to post long videos anymore. So in order for me to post a long video, I have to go live. So this is why I'm going live. Now, I have a few questions I want to ask. I always have questions I want to ask, you know. I want to ask questions because there are people who come here very regularly with the intention for school me and scold me. And I want to ask some questions. Alright, so when we started out with this vaccine, first we started out with COVID and we didn't know what it was, and them say this is a pandemic and deadly, and as you catch it, you drop dead. People are drop like fly. People are drop like fly. But then them come out with a vaccine and them say this vaccine is going to stop you from catching it and stop you from transmitting it. So take it for, if you don't take it for yourself, take it for the elderly around you, take it for the immunocompromised, take it for the people around you with comorbidities, right? And then that narrative changed again. Say it's not gonna stop you from catching it, it's not gonna stop you from sharing it, but take it because it is going to keep you out of the hospital. It's going to stop you from getting seriously ill or dying, right? Now them say follow the science, and if you follow the science, then you know, say the science are gonna give you vertigo, the science are gonna give you motion sickness, because the science not stop move. The science been dancing for a year and odd, right? Now the question I want to ask right now is, if Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister of Health Christopher Tufton say the hospital them full of unvaccinated COVID patients and them are dead, why you not give them ivermectin? Let me ask you, why you not just give them ivermectin? If they're unvaccinated, so you don't give a fuck about them because they never take the joke as they should, right? They're unvaccinated, so you don't care about them. They don't even deserve their own tax dollar in the hospital system, because them refuse to take the joke. Them insubordinate, them are anti-vaxxers, even though they may take the other joke them, and I just don't want them say they don't want. But them are anti-vaxxers now. So one more I want to ask you, if these people are so stupid, so fucking stupid and self-destructive, that they refuse to take something that's going to save their own life, why you not just give them ivermectin? We have to lose. Are you telling me that, remember, you know, me have one conversation earlier with somebody on somewhere where I tell me say a horse dewormer. Again, people, stop follow what you hear people I say. Ivermectin is prescribed by doctors. It has a human formula and it has a formula for lower class animals. Right? Right? It have a formula for humans and it also has a formula for lower class animals, and doctors prescribe it. Now what I want to ask, I don't want no idiot come up in here come try to talk to me. Come off of this, a whole idiot upon the blood clot internet, go find them. Pussy, go find them. What me ask is, if them people are dead, so how much people them say dead so far? Thousands, right? Yeah, Jamaica may talk. So let me say, alright, make we say 100,000 people dead. 100,000 people dead, want to sit down and ring with no hand and watch them dead because you couldn't do nothing for them because they refuse to take a vaccine. Alright, you see them are dead and you know them are dead and you can't do nothing for them. Why the blood clot you not give them the ivermectin then? And no ivermectin alone, you know, ivermectin, hydrochloroquine, there's a whole host of things with doctor upon top of doctor I recommend. Whole heap. So what I want to know is, why don't you give them? What me don't like for know, Andrew Holness, Christopher Tufton, you said the hospital's overwhelmed and you can't help them because they never take the vaccine. So now you don't have nothing for them because all you had for them was the vaccine, but they forfeited on that. So now that they're in a hospital and them are dead And you can't do nothing for them, and me can't do nothing for them. Send in Dr. Dawes, no? Make Dr. Dawes run in, no? And treat them. Because them are dead, right? Are you going to look at the families of all these people who died and tell them that you prefer say them in dead than you try some horse dewormer? Since you insist on horse dewormer, I just use that one because I eat to fight the most. But a whole heap of things people take. People stay in the yard without a doctor and go boil orange skin and all kind of things, you know. Just go boil orange skin and all kind of things and steam with orange peel and eucalyptus oil and menthol crystals. So what me I say is, since you can't do nothing for them, me also want doctor pan. Me no know what una look pan enough. I seem like una only go pan Fauci batty will go take every poop him let out. But what me I say is, me go on the internet and see one doctor a show video of him a perform surgery on people lungs. Where him all him a do, I just pull some plug. It's like some mucus plug, a clog. They fucking hold them in a lung. Cause you know your lung porous, right? That's how the ear get for breathe. And his mucus harden and plug the hole them. Yeah? And him go in and he says a very delicate surgery. But your granny could have lived. Your father, your mother could have lived. Your husband, your wife could have lived. And them have your cause unvaccinated people. When doctor Pantapa doctor out there cure people with blood clot COVID. You have people out, doctor out there, a cure people, a doctor out there, we have 100% success rate. If you know a doctor, we have 100% success rate. If you have a doctor, we claim 100% success rate. Why would you listen to a minister of health when not cure nobody and I tell you say you are go dead? Why you choose to listen to the man where I give you doom and gloom and tell you say you are go dead, you're half dead? And that the man that you pick? Andrew Holness, Christopher Tufton, you say that the people them we don't vaccinate. Once they catch COVID, them are dead. Right? Them a go hospital and them a clog up the blood clot system like how COVID will make mucus clog up with lungs. And they are go dead. Nothing to save them. Give them the ivermectin and the hydrochloroquine then boss. Cause you say nothing can save them. But you don't, why you don't want to do it? You don't want to prove the other doctor them right? How is it that you write off one whole cross section of doctor where you give them license in Jamaica and make them operate? Them go to school, yes so. Run up student loan, yes so. Work and pay back his student loan, yes so. Pay them taxes, yes so. Build family, yes so. Buy house and contribute to the fucked up economy, right, yes so. And when they tell you say this can cure them patient, then you just write them off. You write them off. Me pissed, you know. Me blood clot piss, me not lie to you, know, me pissed, you know. Because when me I watch right now, all the people when me know we have COVID right now, vaccinated. And you are telling me, say, you are trying to tell me, say, it's the unvaccinated who's clogging up the system. So you are asking me if you overlook what me know in my life. If you listen to the blood clot shit where you chat. When so much doctor out there we got med school, just like you want them where endorse the vaccine. I'm not saying you shouldn't take the vaccine. Take it if you want. Brother, Tufton, sit down on the vaccine needle. Sit down on it and whine. Me no give a fuck about you on it. But me just say where the mandates for. I want to keep saying no nah, mandate it. But the soft mandates are mandates. The soft mandates are mandates. We're not blood clot idiot. We know sanction when we see it. We no impose sanctions against unvaccinated people. For what? Because we choose if we don't participate in that exercise, yeah? We don't want it. And 80% of Jamaica say they don't want it. That are more and we vote for Uno. Pussy. No mandate, no for blood clot there. Me no care what Uno want to say. Me no doctor, me don't have to be a doctor to tell us me don't want no joke. Me don't have to be a doctor, me just have to be somebody who don't want no joke. That's all me I say. What me want you for do, since you don't have nothing can give to the people them sick and them are dead. And you say the hospital clog up with them because they don't take the vaccine. Brother, give them the hydroxychloroquine. Give them the ivermectin. Give them the ivermectin. Give them the hydroxychloroquine. Take a chance. We have to lose. Anyway, I'm going about my business.